Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a browser on PS5. Begin by powering on your PlayStation 5 and ensuring it is connected to the internet, ideally with a strong signal. Navigate to the main dashboard. This clever workaround uses a system feature, as a dedicated browser application is not directly available. We will guide you through each step, making sure you can access web content smoothly and efficiently. It opens up new possibilities for your console experience. To initiate this from your PlayStation 5 home screen, navigate to the game base icon. Select a friend from your list or simply send a message to yourself. In the message box, carefully type out a complete web address like https://www.google.com, then press send. Once the message is sent, click on the active link within the chat. This action will immediately open a basic web browser interface, displaying your chosen website. With the browser open, you will use your DualSense controller to navigate. The left joystick controls the on-screen cursor, allowing precise movement. Pressing the X button acts as a click, selecting links or engaging with website elements. To go back a page, simply press the circle button. For more options, like refreshing the page or zooming, press the Options button on your controller. This gives you essential control over your browsing experience. This hidden browser is perfectly fine for basic tasks, such as checking news headlines or quickly looking up information. However, please note its limitations. It is not built for streaming high-definition videos, running demanding browser games, or handling heavy multitasking. The interface might feel a little slower than a typical computer browser, and for security reasons, we advise against entering sensitive personal data. Use it for quick, general web access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.